Welcome to Health for Beginners, a daily series. In this video, I will share one simple daily habit that can improve your overall health. No gym. No diet. No supplements. Most people think good health needs intense workouts, strict diets, or expensive routines. Because of this thinking, many people do nothing at all. The one daily habit that improves overall health is daily movement. Not exercise. Not gym. Just moving your body every day. When you move your body daily, you improve blood circulation. Your muscles stay active. Your digestion improves. Your energy levels increase, and stress slowly reduces. Daily movement can be very simple. Walking for 20 minutes. Stretching for 5 minutes. Standing up every 30 minutes. Small movements done daily matter more than intense workouts. Do not aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. A simple rule is never skip movement 2 days in a row. Come back tomorrow, where I will explain how sitting too much slowly damages your health and how to fix it simply.